Hey guys, welcome back to Natural Times 2. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my twist out routine. I know I told you guys that twist out was my favorite go-to style, but I still haven't done a tutorial on it, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. So the products that I'm going to use are going to be my Mielle Organics Twisting Soufflé, and I usually use Eco Styler, the black castor and flaxseed oil gel, and I also need to finish this gel, so that's the one I'm going to be using today. It looks like this. I've been buying gels nonstop and I'm not finishing them, so I'm going to take a break and use what I have. Okay, so I just washed my hair. I already sprayed it with aloe vera juice. So now all I have to do is add my leave-in conditioner, but I'm just going to do that as I go. Alright, so let's get started, guys. Okay, so I usually just take like a piece this big in the back. I do pretty chunky ones sometimes, but we're gonna go for chunky today. So just adding my leave-in, and then I'm gonna put in the Mielle Organics. This is how it looks. I haven't really used it. I got it a couple months ago. It smells so good, y'all. I love the smell of this thing. I used it, I think, once, maybe twice, and I loved like the results. It just makes my hair so defined and moisturized. I love Mielle Organics. Well, at least this product. So after I run that through, I'm going to take my brush here and then just detangle, because I have not detangled my hair. Probably should have did that in the shower, but I was too lazy. Okay, and then now add my gel. And now just break it in half and twist it up. And that is how it looks. Okay, I'm done twisting up my hair. I have maybe 12 to 15 twists in my hair. I'm not really sure. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Look at that. So I have 15 twists in my hair. My ends don't really like to stay twisted on some parts of my hair, so that's when I put in my little perm rod. So mostly in the front, actually, I use perm rods just so that these ends can curl a little bit more. So I just take these and then I don't roll them up too far, just about right there, and then secure it. So I'm done with this process, so now all I have to do is sleep on it, and then in the morning I'm going to take it down and show you guys my finished look. See you guys later. Good morning, guys. So slept on my hair, so now I'm just about to take it out. So that's all the perm rods. So now I don't usually put oil in my hair for my twist outs. So I'm just gonna take it out. So I just kind of separate the twist and then pull. I think I got all of them. So now I'm just going to go through and separate the rest of the twists and fluff my hair and shape it into the style that I like. When I'm separating my hair, I try to be as gentle as I can just to try and keep the frizz at a minimum. These curls are defined, y'all. Like, oof, I love Mielle Organics. Alright, so you guys know that I like my hair to be in my face. So right now it has this weird part going on, so now I'm just going to separate that to make my hair be more in my face instead of parted in the middle. Okay, my hair is definitely too long in the front. Maybe I should get bangs because I like my hair in my face, but now it's too long. So I always end up having to pin it in the front. Okay, so I think I'm done shaping my hair. It's just how I like it. It's gonna get bigger over the next few days, But that's it, guys. So that's how I do my twist outs. I'll give you guys a quick 360 spin so that you can see how my hair looks. So and that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our page for more content like it. See you guys next time. Bye.